Good morning, catastrophic science students. Welcome to Friday, May 8th. And congratulations, seniors. Today is your last day of e-learning. Friday, May 8th. This is it. This is your last day. This is the last assignment today that you will be held accountable for. Underclassmen, you still have 3 days after today. Underclassmen, your last day is Wednesday of next week. Wednesday, May 13th. That is your last day of e-learning. So 4 total days left for the underclassmen. Last day for the seniors of e-learning assignments. Congratulations, you've made it. For those of you that are missing assignments, there's still plenty of time to catch up. The last day for late work, the day your grades will be finalized, is May 21st. So you have plenty of time to catch up. That includes anybody that is missing assignments. You can still submit assignments up through May 21st. That will be it. That will be the last day work will be accepted. That is the day that your fourth 9 weeks grade will be finalized. So you can catch up. You could submit assignments. There's still time to pass this fourth 9 weeks. And passing this fourth 9 weeks is huge. Because if you pass this fourth 9 weeks, you guarantee yourself credit for the second semester of catastrophic science. Not only that, if you pass this fourth 9 weeks, the passing grade counts as a 100% as a 9 weeks score. That is has the ability to have a huge impact on your 9 weeks grade, or on your semester grade, excuse me. So for instance, if you had an 80% for the third 9 weeks, and you passed the fourth 9 weeks at 100%, 80% and 100% would leave you with a 90% average. It would leave you with an A average. So there's a huge opportunity to push your grade up. You could have had a C, a 70%, and still easily get it up to a B. You could have had a D, a 60%, the third 9 weeks. You average that in with 100% for passing this 9 weeks, and that would push you up to a B. So there's an incredible opportunity for your grade to move up. I encourage you to take advantage of it by passing this 9 weeks. How do they define passing this 9 weeks? Passing is defined as making a serious attempt to participate in the e-learning. It doesn't mean that you have to do every assignment. It means that you are showing that you're participating, that you're working to the best of your capabilities under the situation you're in. That's how the passing is defined. So show that you're serious, get late work assignments in, get caught up. Again, the date is May 21st. Seniors, what are we going to finish up with that for today's assignment? Today, again, is Friday, May 8th. The unit we are on is nuclear catastrophes. So when you're looking on Google Classroom, look for the unit called nuclear catastrophes. Also in the nuclear catastrophe unit, you'll see this entire week 6 syllabus. This is our plans of what we've done every day. This is posted also on Google Classroom. So Monday's assignment is there. Tuesday you can see it. Wednesday you can see it. There's Thursday's. And now for our final assignment for seniors. We're going to focus in today on one of the worst catastrophic nuclear disasters of all time. Today, Friday, May 8th, is Chernobyl Day. You'll find a Google Doc on there with videos embedded into the Google Doc. Give a nice click or two on the video title. The video will pop up. And just be sure that you answer the questions on the handout and submit it to me. Share it with me so that I can have evidence that you have your work completed. Seniors, congratulations. It's been a wonderful time with you. It's unfortunate the situation we've been in this fourth 9 weeks, but I'm proud of those of you that have made an attempt to finish off what you started. Well done. Best of luck, and we will see you.